Top tips for using Starbucks efficiently. If you want to use Starbucks efficiently, the first step that I would recommend is that you try to leverage the mobile app as much as possible for orders and payments. For example, you can go ahead and then basically make sure that you log into your account and have your orders and payments saved first in hand so that next time when you order something, you don't have to type everything manually. The second step is to know your order. You must have your drink specifics ready, including hot or iced, size like tall, Grande or Venti, or milk type and syrup, customizations to speed up the ordering process. And you also want to bring your own cups sometimes if you're going to a store to get a discount and reduce waste as well. You can avoid peak times if you have got flexibility, visit during off-peak hours to avoid long lines. And these are some of the ways that you can start using Starbucks efficiently. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.